Hello everyone, welcome back to Code to Enhance Learning video series. In this video series, we are creating projects that integrate advanced physical computing with the world around us using Arduino Uno. Welcome to the fourth lesson on building a DIY electric vehicle or RC car. Today, we will take you through the steps of creating a small remote controlled car using basic electronics and programming. This project is ideal for learning about Arduino, Bluetooth communication, and motor control. Let's dive in. In the last lesson, we learned how to create a prototype of a project automatic irrigation system using Arduino Uno. You can find the link to the previous lesson in the description. The purpose behind this project is really impactful. This DIY EV car can be designed to help elderly or physically challenged individuals to move around their environments more safely. EV DIY car project that allows the vehicle to navigate autonomously or respond to remote commands. By integrating sensors and motors, you can program the Arduino to process real-time data and control the car's movement. Let's see the working of the project. The motor driver controls the movement of the DC motor. With the help of Arduino and Bluetooth, we can drive the motors forward, backward, or stop, enabling the car to move around. Let's go over the main components you will need for the project. Arduino Uno, motor driver, SC05 Bluetooth module, DC motors, battery, breadboard, USB cable, and connected wires. All of these components will come together to form a working RC car. So friends, let's see what is motor driver and DC motor are. Motor driver controls the direction and speed of a motor by receiving control signals and supplying the required power to the motor. Motor requires a high amount of power, but the output of Arduino is in milliampere. So the purpose of motor driver is to handle voltage and current. It typically has 13 pins. Next, let's talk about the DC motor, a key component in our RC car. Think of the DC motor as a spinning machine. When it receives power, it rotates, which is what makes things move. You have probably seen DC motors in action before. For example, small toy cars often use these motors to make their wheels turn round and round. In our project, the DC motor will drive the wheels of our car, allowing it to move forward, backward, and turn. Now, let's talk about assembling the circuit. You can follow the circuit diagram and table shown on the screen for the circuit connections. Take SC05 Bluetooth and place it on the breadboard. Connect the Bluetooth VCC pin to the second row of the breadboard. Connect the Bluetooth GND pin to the first row of the breadboard. Connect Bluetooth TXT pin to Arduino board RxD pin. Connect Bluetooth RxD pin to Arduino board's TXT pin. Connect input pin in1 to the digital pin 4 of the Arduino board. Then connect input pin in2 to the digital pin 6 of the Arduino board. Then connect in3 pin to the digital pin 5 of the Arduino board. Then connect input pin in4 to the digital pin 7 of the Arduino board. Connect motor output terminals M1 M2 of the motor driver to the terminals of the first motor and M3 M4 to the terminals of the second motor. Connect ground pin of the motor driver to the first row of the breadboard and VCC pin of the motor driver to the second row of the breadboard. Connect ground pin of the Arduino to the first row of the breadboard and VCC or 5V pin of the Arduino to the second row of the breadboard. Connect the positive terminal of the external power supply to the VCC terminal of the motor driver and the negative terminal of the external power supply to the ground terminal of the motor driver. Connect the wheels to the motors. Where there are different types of motor drivers available in the market, if circuit is not working, then you have to connect the EN1 and EN2 of the motor driver to the second row of the breadboard. Once you are ready, let's continue with the coding section. As our circuit is ready, let's start with coding. For coding, we are using MBlock software as other projects. We will walk through the step-by-step process to code our project. We will guide you through each part to help you bring your project to life. So let's dive in and start coding. Open MBlock software and connect the Arduino Uno board. Click on Extensions, download SC05 Bluetooth PCM and add it. Go to the events and drag when Arduino Uno starts up. Now go to SC05 block box and drag SC05 RxTX1 TDX RX0 baud rate 9600. Go to control and drag forever block. Now go to the SC05 block box and drag read data from SC05. Also drag if SC05 data receives is equals to 0, then change 0 to 1, then go to pin in the block box. Drag 2 times, set digital pin 9 output as high, change 9 to 6 and change 9 to 7. Now our car is going in a forward direction. Now to stop the car, you have to repeat the code. Change 0 to 2 and change 9 to 6, change 9 to 7 and change output as low. Now our car has stopped moving in forward direction. Similarly, you can code for the backward, left and right operations by adjusting the corresponding pins and setting the data received from the SC05 module to 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now our code is ready to upload. In MBlock, number 4 represents the first wheel, while number 6 represents the second wheel of the car. In this project, we will control the RC car's forward and reverse movements. You can also add code to enable right and left directions as well. Let's see the steps to download the mobile app. Go to the Play Store and search Arduino Bluetooth Control by Brox code. Click Install. Connect your phone to SC05 Bluetooth. After a successful connection, you will see the pop-up connected to SC05. Now connect the USB cable to the computer. While connecting the USB, please disconnect the RxD and TXD pins of the Bluetooth device. After connecting the USB, click on Connect button. Once Arduino connected, then click on Upload the code button. It will take few seconds and you will see your code uploaded successfully. When Bluetooth connected successfully, from the home, go to buttons, you will see the interface. If you click on 1, value 1 will be sent to the SC05 and the car will go forward. When you press 2, car will stop in a similar manner. Here we have made our prototype for RC car. Our next project will be Heartbeat Visualizer. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like this video. We will see you in the next video.